Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, it's so nice to see you again. Today I am doing a quick unboxing from Louis Vuitton. It is a gift I got for Valentine's Day. A Louis Vuitton Clemence Wallet in Damier Ebene. Now, I already have the Clemence wallet in the monogram print. Because I got the Sienna PM in Damier Ebene, my other half decided that I need a matching wallet for it. The interior is this beautiful red color. This is the price. Hawaii price is a little cheaper than the online price, and it has the interior pockets with the credit card slots, the interior zipper for coins. Zipper is so smooth. 8 credit card slots altogether. Leather pull tab at the end. Now, the Clemence wallet is one of my favorite wallets. I take it everywhere I go. It's very expandable. There's one Louis Vuitton square on one side only of the wallet, right there, and you can see the material is bright red to match the pull tab. I just love it very much. Sometimes I will just take out the wallet when I'm running around doing errands and I just hold it. It comes with this dust bag, and it also has the details on here. It was a really quick unboxing, but there's not much to say about this wallet. It's classic. I love it. It's simple yet very functional, and I hope to see you in the next video. Pinky, wanna say hi? That's my little partner down there. What the hell was that? It's big enough to fit my iPhone 7. There's one Louis Vuitton on each side of the wallet. There's one Louis Vuitton square on one side only of the wallet.